All right, what's up, y'all? So we are gonna get into brows. That's what we're gonna get into today. So I had done a little makeup look today because I enrolled myself into beauty school. Your girl is going back to school. I'm gonna go get my cosmetology license. I would like to start some kind of business where I could offer all types of services, where I come to your home, where I can provide either hair, nails, makeup, waxing. You know, I'm just gonna go so that I can be well-rounded, and I'm really excited for this new chapter in my life. But I wanted to go in and talk about these brows. First of all, y'all, you guys see I actually have eyebrows now, right? Like, this is insane that I have. Oh yeah, y'all see my nails? Yeah, holding the screen. Yeah, those are by my boo nails by Ashley. Yeah, she's slayed. So she's in Patterson. She's moving now though. She's going to Fairview or Fairdale, I don't know, something like that, another part of Jersey. And yeah, I got my Gel X nails so popping. They're making their debut here in this video. So the reason why my brows have grown the way that they have grown is because of my Shebelievedshecouldcosmetics, the Brow Grow and Glow. So I made this last year and it worked so well on my brows. I started seeing the fullness, I started seeing them just getting so much better. So then I reformulated it and now my brows are nice and thick. You guys can see, I'm gonna zoom in when I'm actually doing the brows, but you guys can see the hair growth that I have here. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up, reshape, and fill in my brows on a normal day-to-day basis. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the brows now. So if you guys want to see how I do my brows, how I got these brows going, then you guys just keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so really zoomed in, we're gonna begin with the brows. I am going to go in with this tool that I adore so much. I had showed you guys last year that I use this tool to shave my face. So I let some of my hair grow here so that you guys can see, and I'm just gonna show you guys how amazing it is. I start my brows off with this tool. I'm gonna get started in the middle. And I'm gonna go around my forehead to really clean around my brows so that they look really nice and shaped. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the L.A.Colors Wild Brow. I'm going to basically shape my brows how I would shape them for the day. Okay, now me personally, I don't like it when brows are really dark. I am just going to take one of my tweezers. I happen to be using a Revlon tweezer. Okay, so here we are. You can see just cleaning the hairs, tweezing them, that already I have some fantastic brows. I'm gonna go in with the L.A.Colors Browie Wowie brow pencil. This is in the color light medium. I like it because it is a thicker pencil. I'm just going to trace the shape that I already have on my brows. I'm not changing the shape, I'm not adding or anything, just adding some color. So I'm going to start in the front and I'm just underlining the bottom of my brows, but I like to do it in a flicking motion because I don't want any harsh lines when I am doing my brows. I like my brows to look as natural as possible. Now you can see right here in the top part of my brow there is some hair, but it is lighter. For right now I like to use the pencil and just add a little bit of color up at the top to just reinforce the shape that's there already. And in the front, just little flicks upwards. And I love that this pencil comes with a spoolie, so I'm just going to go through my hair and just kind of like blend it. Make sure that that's all looking good. The brow is going into the shape and the color that I wanted to. Alright, so here is the filled in brow with the pencil, and here is the brow without. So you can see this brow has a few more sparse areas than this one. I always like to keep the brow very sparse in the front. I like it to look more natural. That's how my hair grows, so I like it light. And now on to the next brow. I'm just gonna repeat the step, the process, just flicking motions, underlining my brow to just cover those sparse areas. Flick up in the front. Next, I'm gonna go into the e.l.f. Brow and Lash Wand. This is an OG product. I used to use this when I first started doing makeup, and I hadn't used it in a while, but I was in Target and I decided to pick it up. So I'm just gonna brush through my brows, just once again blending everything out, but this gel will help everything stay in place. Okay, on to the final step. We're just gonna clean up the brows, and I'm gonna be using my Wet N Wild Photofocus concealer in Light Honey, and I'm using one of my favorite detail brushes. This is a imitation MAC brush that I got a long time ago, before I knew that they actually sold fake stuff online. So I'm gonna use this brush now to clean up. I like to start in the middle right here, creating that little line to really give my brow definition. And in small strokes, I bring it up. Just follow the line that I already naturally have there, and then just clean it up and just bring whatever product is there forward and then drag it down. I also like to go to the edge of the brow, right on the outside, and just sharpen the tail so that you really can see the detail in the brow. I don't really like to go above because I just don't like it. I just like going underneath and cleaning it up. You can see this brow already. It looks way crisper than that brow, although this brow does still look nice. This one just says, hey, look at me, I'm a wow brow. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat the step on the same side. Once again, starting in the middle, kind of defining the line that I want right under the brows, and just tracing the same shape that I already have, and I'm just dragging that down, and then with the same product, just bringing it right under the brows to just give a little bit more definition. So there you have it. There go the finished brows. Ooh, look at those brows. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, well, there you guys have it. There goes my 2019 brow routine. You guys can see how fabulous, like fabulous. Say, like, I mean, seriously, like the best brows that I think I've done to date, right? So this is how I do my brows. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I gave you guys a couple of helpful hints. Let me know, do you guys prefer darker brows? Do you guys like lighter brows like I do? Let me know in the comments below. Was this a good brow video? Would you guys like to see more like this? I know that I'm all over the place, but life has just really been so hectic 2019, and I'm actually going to film a look for you guys right now. So I did the brows first as my first video, and now I'm gonna film a makeup look for you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I promise so much more new content is coming to my channel. I love you guys and I appreciate everyone's support. I'll see you guys in my next video.